Why are you still struggling with complicated editing software? Why are you wasting money on expensive cameras, lighting setups, and studio rentals when I can now do it faster and better? It honestly doesn't make sense anymore. If you're serious about creating cinematic, professional quality videos, but you're still stuck using outdated methods, then you're making your content creation much harder than it needs to be. Today, I'm going to show you a smarter way, and its powerful feature called Cinema Studio 2.0. If you love dramatic action scenes, slow motion emotional moments, romantic movie shots, or professional trailer-style visuals, this tool makes it super easy. We've already tested many of them in previous videos, but today we are focusing only on Cinema Studio 2.0, which is specially designed for cinematic creation. Now let me show you how it works. First, click on the Cinema Studio 2.0 feature. Here, you'll see a creative input box that asks, what would you shoot with an infinite budget? This is where the magic starts. You can describe any scene you imagine. A dramatic battlefield, a romantic sunset proposal, a high-speed car chase, or an emotional airport goodbye. You get two main options, image and video. Let's start with image first. Simply type your prompt describing the scene you want. For example, a warrior riding a horse during a sunset battle, cinematic lighting, dramatic clouds, ultra-realistic. You can choose how many images you want to generate, from 1 to 4. Then select the aspect ratio. For YouTube, 16:9 is perfect. If you want a wider movie feel, you can choose 21:9. I'll select 16:9 for this demo. Next, choose the resolution. For best results, select 4K quality. This gives you ultra-sharp and detailed output. After that, you can explore the Create Element feature. This is very powerful. You can upload your own image or video, give it a name and description, and turn it into a reusable element. This helps you keep characters, outfits, or styles consistent in different scenes. Now let's move to one of the most exciting features, camera selection. Here you can choose different types of professional cameras, just like in real filmmaking. Options include premium large format cameras, modular 8K digital cameras, full frame cameras, and more. Then you can select the lens. You'll see options like warm cinema prime, vintage prime lens, and other professional styles. You can also control focal length, like 8mm for ultra-wide shots, 35mm for natural cinematic framing, or 50mm for beautiful portrait shots. Then adjust the aperture. For example, f4 for soft background blur, or f11 for sharp focus throughout the frame. Once everything looks perfect, just click the Generate button. The AI will start processing your request. After a short wait, your cinematic image will be ready. The lighting, depth, motion, and details look like a real movie shot. You can preview the result, upscale it for higher clarity, enhance details, change camera angles, or download it directly. Everything is just one click away. And remember, this is only the image mode. You can also switch to video mode and turn your cinematic ideas into moving scenes with realistic motion and storytelling. Higgsfield.ai is definitely worth trying. Now let's try another example to test its creativity. This time, I'll enter a new prompt. For example, a beautiful girl walking in a garden, soft sunlight, cinematic lighting, shallow depth of field, ultra-realistic. Now for this test, I'll change the camera settings. Instead of the previous camera, I'll select the modular 8K original camera and switch the lens to get a different cinematic look. You can experiment with lenses to get warmer tones, vintage vibes, or sharper modern visuals. Once everything is set, I'll hit the Generate button. Then we have the What's Next feature. When you click on it, the system analyzes your current image and generates a continuation or variation of the scene. It helps you extend your creative idea without writing a new prompt from scratch. If I click on multiple shot, it converts one image into multiple cinematic shots, almost like different camera angles from a movie scene. You can see how one single image becomes several variations. This is very useful for storytelling or creating a sequence of scenes. Now, let's move to the video section, which is even more powerful. Here, you can create full cinematic videos. You can upload a reference image or even add a consistent character. You can select camera movement styles like auto, zoom out, static, handheld, and more. You can also control the speed. Choose auto or custom. Then select the duration. For example, 12 seconds long. Next, enter your video prompt. You can also choose between single shot or multi-shot angles for more dynamic storytelling. After that, select the aspect ratio, resolution, and choose the Cinema Studio model type, such as general, action, horror, comedy, and more. For this demo, I'll select the action model. Now, I'll enter the prompt. A man riding a powerful sports bike at high speed, cinematic motion blur, dramatic lighting. Select the number of videos you want to generate and then hit the generate button. After processing, the video is ready. And as you can see, it has created a cinematic action-style video based exactly on my description. The motion, lighting, and energy feel like a real movie scene. So this is how you can create high-quality cinematic images and videos using Cinema Studio 2.0 inside Higgsfield.ai. No expensive cameras, no big production team, just your imagination and the right prompt. The link is available in the video description, so make sure to try it yourself. That's it for today's video. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.